Hi, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is data structure and why we need this. So let's get started. What is data structure? Data structure is a storage that is used to store and organize data. So let's understand this with a real life example. If I ask you a question, where do you store your clothes? Then your answer would be, we store our clothes in wardrobe. Right? Now, if I ask you why you store your clothes in wardrobe, then your answer would be it provides you with a storage mechanism so that you can organize your clothes efficiently and you can access your clothes efficiently, right? Similarly, in computers also, we store our data in such a way that we can store it efficiently and we can access it efficiently. Let's apply this same concept in computers. So in computers, it is a way of organizing data on a computer so that it can be accessed and updated efficiently. Let's understand this with an example. We generally store our files in hard disks, right? We have two options to store our files. Either we can dump all of our files in a single folder, or we create multiple folders. Like folders, in that folder we have again folder, in that folder we have again folder, and we organize our data in a folder structure, right? Why we do so? Because if we store all of our files in one folder and tomorrow if we need access to that file, I have to spend a lot of time in searching that file and it will be a nightmare for me to find the file. But in case of folder structure, I can easily go to that folder and find the file and do my work. And tomorrow if I want to update that file, I can easily navigate the folder, find that file and replace that file, right? That's why we need some sort of mechanism to store our files and to access the files efficiently. Let's take the YouTube example. You are watching this video on YouTube. Along with this video, there are thousands of hours of videos are uploaded every single day on YouTube, right? You also want to access YouTube efficiently. You do not want to wait for a video to play. What you want your video should be played once you click the video. So this is really a challenging for YouTube also to store and manage such a huge amount of data. They also use some smart techniques to store data so that users can efficiently access their videos and content. So why we need data structures? So we need data structure to store and access data efficiently. Okay, up until this point, you understand that we need data structure to store and access our data efficiently. The reason being, if you see around you, there are many applications like YouTube, Google, Instagram, Facebook, and you can see that every single day data is increasing and application is getting complex. So many people are uploading photos on Instagram. So many people are uploading YouTube videos. So many people are uploading shorts. So many people are using Google Drive and they are continuously uploading data and data is increasing day by day. But if you see it carefully, our storage is not free and we do not have unlimited storage also. What we want to achieve is we want to efficiently store all this data in our storage devices so that we can take full advantage of that hardware and we do not want to waste our resources. So this is all about data structure. Now moving on to algorithms. So what are basically algorithms are? So an algorithm is a well-defined set of computational steps that takes some or set of values as an input and produces some or set of values as output in a finite amount of time. Okay. So what algorithm is basically, you can consider algorithm as a box where you pass some inputs. It would be a single value or a set of value and you expect some output, and this box has a set of computational steps. So it means your algorithm is nothing but a set of computational steps. So you pass it input, it processes your input and gives you output, right? So let's understand this with an example. Let's take a simple sorting example. If I give you 5 numbers like 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, and if I ask you to sort this number, then you can immediately sort this number, right? Because you are human and you are very smart, right? So no issues. If I give similar input to this computer and ask this computer, hey computer, please sort the number in ascending order, then computer won't be able to do this task. Why? Because computers are dumb. We make them smart, but by default, computers are dumb. They do not know how to sort the number. Computer is gonna yell at me that tell me how to sort this number. So to solve this problem, what we do? We tell computer these are the steps you have to follow to sort the number in ascending order. And we call these steps algorithm. So for example, if I have to tell computer to sort numbers in ascending orders, so what we are going to tell computer that, hey computer, please put first smallest number at the first place, put second smallest number at the second place, so on and so forth, and put largest number at the last. Now we take all these steps, bundle it, and now if we give input to this box, let's say 24315, now this box has all the knowledge to sort the number, and it immediately returns us the output. And the output is number sorted in ascending order. So this is the computational steps we tell our computer to do to solve a specific problem, and these computational steps are called algorithm. Now why we need algorithms? Simply by using algorithms we tell our computers what computational steps should be taken to solve a specific problem in a finite amount of time. This point is really important. We want computer to solve our problem in a finite amount of time because we don't have time. Time is money. We do not want to spend a lot of time in solving such a small problems. For example, on this YouTube channel, whenever I upload a video, YouTube sends notification to all the subscribers. So how YouTube is going to do this? YouTube also has some sort of algorithms. What it does, whenever I upload a video, that algorithm finds all the subscribers of this channel and send them notification. And that notification must be sent immediately. It never going to happens that I upload video today and YouTube is going to send notification tomorrow, right? So now I hope you understand what is data structure and what is algorithm. Now the question is why you should learn data structure and algorithm. Because data structure and algorithm are two key components of computer science. That's why you must learn data structure and algorithm. Data structure also help you to store and organize data, right? An algorithm allows you to process that data efficiently. So if you do not know how to organize data and how to process data efficiently, you are never going to become a better programmer. So to become a better programmer, you must understand data structure and algorithm. And it also helps you write code that is efficient and reliable, right? And it helps you solve problems more quickly and efficiently. So these are the reasons why you must learn data structures. But the ultimate goal is to become a better programmer and a better engineer. So let's see a few of the example of data structure. So here I took the very simple example of stack data structure. We use editors to write text, and whenever we make a mistake, we immediately do undo operations. Have you ever thought how undo operations are performed under the hood? Our text editor uses stack data structure to store all the operations you are performing on the text, right? So whenever you press Ctrl Z, your editor figures out the last operation you performed on the text and it deletes that operation. So your text revert back to the previous state, right? How this is happening? Because stacks follow LIFO algorithms, and what it stands for? LIFO stands for last in first out. It means the last operations which was performed by you will be the first operation to be undo, right? So this is all about stack data structure. Now the second is queue data structure. So have you ever experienced printing multiple files on a single printer? So when you try to print multiple files on a single printer, it's never going to happen that your printer takes all the file as input and output all the files immediately. So what printer basically does, it save all of your file in a queue data structure. Why? Because printer can access one file at a time. So what happens if you give 3 files to a printer? It stores all the 3 files in a queue. It takes one file out of the queue and it prints it. It takes second file from the queue and it prints it. Finally, it takes last file from the queue and it prints it. Printer follows FIFO algorithm, and FIFO stands for first in, first out. So the file which comes first will be printed first. It means printer uses the queue data structure and the queue data structure uses the FIFO algorithm. Now you have a clear understanding of what is data structure and what is algorithm. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.